Hello students, we were in the second chapter, the cell. We have discussed the first two topics, discovery of cell and variation in cell number, shape and size. We were in the third topic, cell, the functional unit of life, in which we have discussed structure of cell. Main parts are cell membrane, which is also called plasma membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. We have seen their location. We have discussed cell membrane in some detail. We will discuss cytoplasm and nucleus also in some detail. So let us see. Nucleus. In your book, a brief description about a scientist is given, Robert Brown. Robert Brown, a Scottish botanist, coined the term nucleus while he was studying the process of pollination and fertilization in orchids. So he was a resident, he was a citizen of Scotland, that's why Scottish. Botanist, botany is a branch of biology. Biology has two branches, botany and zoology. Botany, study of plants, and zoology, study of animals. So Robert Brown used to study about plants. He coined the term nucleus. While nucleus was observed before by many scientists, Brown was the first one to name it. Besides, Brown also discovered and named over 2000 species of plants. Brown is the best known for his remarkable discovery of Brownian movement. What is Brownian movement? It is a random and rapid movement exhibited by microscopic particles, both living or non-living. So Brownian movement is a different kind of movement which is shown by very small particles. Microscopic particles means which we cannot see through naked eyes. So these very small particles show a movement, different movement, random and rapid movement, and he has named this movement Brownian. Movement is named after the name of scientist, and that's why Brownian movement. Now let us see the structure of nucleus. This whole part is one nucleus. This whole part is one nucleus, and it is the most important part of the cell. It is surrounded by a double membrane, nuclear membrane, or it is called nuclear envelope. It is double membrane because it has two layers covering. Inside the nuclear membrane, a dense fluid is there which is called nucleoplasm. Now what is fluid? Fluid is a thing which can flow. So nucleoplasm is one fluid. Now you can see nucleolus here in the middle, in the center. This is nucleolus. So when nucleolus is one, it is called nucleolus, but when it is many in the nucleus, then it is called nucleoli. Now you can see this thread-like structure. In the nucleoplasm, you can see floating structures, thread-like structure. They are chromatin. They are called chromatin. Chromatin forms structure called chromosome at the time of cell division. Cell division is a process of producing a new cell by dividing itself into two parts. Cell division is a process of producing new cell by dividing itself into two parts. So at the time of cell division, this chromatin forms different structure called chromosome. These chromosomes carry genes which are responsible for transfer of characters from parents to their children. Now we understand why do we look like our parents. Our likes, dislikes also match with our parents. This happens because the cells in our body have actually developed from the cells of our parents. Our cells have actually developed from the divided cell from our parents. And we now know that cells carry chromosomes in which genes are responsible for carrying the characters. Now we will see the functions of function of nucleus. Nucleus is called the control center of the cell. Like our brain controls our body, similarly nucleus also controls the cell. It controls all the activities that take place within a cell. It helps in the transfer of characteristics from parents to the offspring, parents to their children. Just now we have discussed that how it carries. And last one, it plays an important role in cell division. We will see how it plays an important role in cell division in our next class, higher class. In the next video, we will discuss about the cytoplasm